Hello and welcome to this new video where I will show you how to make some simple gratin. For the ingredients, you will need some ham, around half of a container of pasta. It needs to be a container that can go to the oven. Around 100 grams of flour or 200 grams if you want more sauce. Around 100 grams of butter or 200 grams of butter if you want more sauce. It's important to note that you need to have as much flour as butter for the sauce. You will also need around 3 cubes of beef stew, some green onion, you will also need some cheese, some grated one. And that should be it for the ingredients. So for the sauce it's pretty easy. You put the butter on the pan and you put it at the low settings. You wait for it to melt. You need to, while you do the sauce, to add the water into a large boiling pan. You put it at max because you want the water to boil for the pasta. Once it's completely melted, you can close the electrical output. Then you can add the flour. You have to mix both together. Doesn't look really appetizing, does it? You take some of it, once the cubes are dissolved into the water, and you add it to the sauce. You don't want a sauce that is either too liquid or too thick. You want the right consistency. If it's too liquid, you need to eat up back the sauce. If it's too thick, you need to add more of the beef stew. Once you're happy with the sauce, you can put it on the side. For the pasta it's pretty easy. You put the pasta into the water and you wait the right time. Meanwhile, you can set the oven to 180. Once the pasta is ready, you can put it into the drainer and let it drain and get dry. Meanwhile, you can start dressing up the plate, adding the sauce and the ingredients at the bottom of the plate. Then you add a layer of pasta and then more of the sauce and the ingredients. Don't forget to add the cheese and place everything to your convenience. Once you're done with that, you can put the plate into the oven, but don't forget to stop the oven before you do that. You don't need any extra heat. After all, the point is just to melt the cheese, not really to cook anything since the pasta is already cooked. When you're satisfied with the result, you can pull it out of the oven and voila! So this is the result, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.